Alright guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to talk about the Aeroscout Mini. Well, what's left of it? So I have all these cool parts and it still works in some way, as in this part here still works, this part here still works. One of these snapped off, so that won't work. But what works right now is the, let me see here, the left and right movement. And the up and down no longer works. So I'm thinking about converting this into a boat rather than trying to build another plane that will fly using this thing. My initial intent was to create another plane and have it run and then sort of lock this like this in place, so at least it would have some kind of lifting motion. But then I thought, you know what, it's much easier to turn this into a boat and then just have the left and right movement and then have this. Now, one of the biggest problems with this is because, of course, when I buy stuff, usually it comes in defective. If you see here, when I got this, this is not perfectly straight. It's kind of like leaning towards the left. And so that always gave some issues when I was trying to fly the Aeroscout Mini. Unfortunately, that's how it came, and I didn't realize that until much later, and I was constantly, I messed around with the trim as much as I could and a bunch of other things, but eventually it kept failing, and then I destroyed the plane completely. I gave it a really fair, I really gave it a fair shake. I tried to fix it so many different times until eventually I was like, okay, well, I'm done with this. So, I most likely am going to turn this into a boat, and I'm going to make it float on a bunch of bottles. Most likely it'll be something like this, in this kind of configuration, where this will be the base of the boat, like so, and then we'll have this somewhere in the middle so it doesn't get wet, and then I'll figure out how to create something for this to go into so that it can be the engine for it. And then, as I explained before, we'll have this go left and right, and hopefully it will run well in the water. Now, the point to this boat isn't just for the purposes of creating a boat. I would like to put an FPV camera system on it so that I can take some videos of the lake or wherever I'm able to basically not fly, but sail this thing. So sail this thing. I will try to do that. So that's where we are at right now with this project, and we'll see what else happens later on. But anyway, stay tuned, and hopefully I'll be able to do something with all this cool stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.